what's the plan? Today is another car vlog. We finally get this. So the car gonna be going whoosh, whoosh, how the car gonna go? Another huge shout out to D Express for getting my package to me just in time for my birthday. Huge shout out to them. Go check them out if you didn't see my last vlog yet. Go watch it, link below in the description. You wanna pull out that piece of the box? Come on, boss open here. Put it real hard. Yeah, put it real hard, real hard. Yeah, put it out. Yeah. Right, thanks.
We destroy it.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, there we go. So we have this. We have this. By the way, I don't know what the hell I gonna do. I just gonna put things where it look like it need to go and hopefully the car go whoosh. How the car go? And we have this. What is this?
A free triangle.
A free triangle. And stickers. That's what you want. Real rice up the car. Real stickers. You want to talk in it or? You want to say something?
Yeah, watch this.
That real bad. I wish I could do that, but I too fat.
Yeah, you did.
Thing is, right? We buy the boss himself. We buy Mr. John to make sure we don't mash up the car. But they're telling me I can't do this myself in a horse. I go and do this myself. I don't need a single inch of help from nobody.
And this is it here.
Yep.
Alright.
My screwdriver missing.
Need some help for?
Johnny have a screwdriver. In the right place. I know what I do in here. You see, I'm not seeing any screws to take out the whole intake box now, boy. So I'm just gonna take out the filter and see if there are any screws under the filter.
Huh?
I'm assuming at some point I need to unjack this.
But you feel in the right spot, house? Like in the right
What's
place?
that? Guaranteed in the right spot.
No, I mean like you're sure like
You really don't want to be blasting me this, yeah?
in the right spot?
But I feel I don't know what I do in horse. Right, we done? I just had to put this right here now.
What's going on here?
What's going on, my horse? What are you talking about?
Where's any hand?
What are you talking about? I'm not the man.
There's no tools.
Alright, so the fact that we switched days might let you know that I didn't really get to change everything myself. This is the intake, everything. Oh yeah, this is what we looking like. Go give it a little rev, see somebody. Not you, the car. Alright, so this is the song with the intake on. Honestly, I didn't know intake can make a big difference, but we just drive the car and it actually feel better. Going in the same Mexico it was last time with everybody. Of course, the car sounding like a whole brand new car and it actually feeling much better. Everybody in my life tell me intake don't do anything. Yeah, just here, your turbo better, but not gonna get anything. But it actually, I don't know, it could be me. I don't know nothing about cars. The car feeling so much better. So much fun! Alright, are you ready to hear the psh, psh, psh. Okay, let me hear this. Woo! No, wait. Yeah, boy. Who was that? Woo!
Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me